How to use coupons and discounts in Vic Studio. To do that, we need to head over to the marketing part of our actual website. We have marketing right here and we have in here the discounts. Click on the coupons right here in order to edit out this part. Now, while waiting for this tool, you can see it here right there. So you can create a discount or create a new coupon. You can click on this one or click on this one. Just choose what you want and then you can choose the discount type. It can be discount for the whole amount. It can be percent discount. It can be free shipping, sale price, or buy X get Y free. So for this one, let's choose in here peso discount. Put in here the coupon code that you want. So for example, let's put in here try me 1000. And then in here, here's the coupon code. So let's apply the same coupon name for that. And for the discount, let's put in here the discount of 1000 as indicated in the name. And then you can apply this to a specific product, all products, or just choose in here which one. For this one, I'll choose minimum order subtotal. I'll choose a minimum order of 3999 in order to apply this discount. Now for this one, you can also choose the valid date. You can set an end date for that. I'll choose December 11 until December 31. You can also limit the number of uses. For this one, I'll limit it until 3 uses and click on this create coupon. Now you can head over and market this coupon and then just post it on your website in order to actually promote this coupon. You can also use email campaign or social posts. So that's how you use coupons and discounts in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.